My name is Derek Russell. I'm the Technical Director at Techrete. I'm responsible for the design office and our sustainability strategy. The reason we installed solar panels on our facilities is that we are a leading manufacturer of precast concrete products to the construction industry in the UK and Ireland, and we've committed to achieving net zero in our facilities and products by 2030. Solar panels will be a key component in that as we aim to transition our energy consumption to renewable means. When considering the need to reduce our energy consumption, we obviously looked at solar renewables. We reached out to AEI Ireland as they are the longest established and leading installer of solar panels. We have benefited greatly from their experience in the field. The process itself was seamless, with AEI leading the entire process from start to finish, from initial order straight through to installation and commissioning on the factory. We've seen tremendous benefits since installing the system back in September 2021. We've reduced our energy consumption considerably and our cost of operating. The system AEI installed on our facility here in Balbriggan comprised 840 panels, each with a wattage potential of 380 watts, giving us a combined energy capacity of 320 kilowatts. To date, since we installed it in September 21, we've generated over 259,000 kilowatts and resulted in a saving of over 100,000 euros to the business, helping us achieve both our net zero targets and a considerable reduction in our operating costs. We've been so pleased with how the system has operated that we've approached AEI to install another 432 panels of the newer 450 watt potential capacity to further increase our solar generation capacity here in Balbriggan. This will contribute to our ambition to generate 50% of our own electricity from renewable resources by the year end. AEI are the only solar PV providers in Ireland who offer a kilowatt guarantee. This means we are compensated for any loss in energy generation from the original scheme design.